guys, it's me, Christina Marie. We are going to have some fun in this video today, or at least I'm going to have some fun, and hopefully you guys have some fun with me. I'm actually going to be playing my music. We're going to be trying a bunch, no, not the acne, that's for acne, sorry, a bunch of new products in this video, right? But we're trying a bunch of new products, having fun, because that's what makeup's supposed to do. It's supposed to be fun. We're supposed to like try new things, like experiment, do new colors. We are trying a bunch of new products in this video just for you, and we're gonna have some fun together because I'm gonna be singing to you guys. I know. Did you turn off the video yet? When you heard that I was going to be singing. So I normally have fun when I do my makeup. Lately, I've been sticking my hand in my drawer, grabbing whatever color comes out of my palettes and making it work. And that's a way for you guys to get out of your routine. Who wants to stay in a routine, right? Nobody wants to be in a routine. Sometimes we got to like spice it up and try something new. And that is what we're doing in this video. Like, I grabbed a palette. We're trying a palette. I'm trying new products for you guys. And I'm going to be playing my music. Because you know what? Sometimes music just like it's a healing for the soul. It really truly is. And I normally play and blast my music in the background, but I'm going to be playing and blasting my music right here in my ears. Yeah, because of copyright reasons. And I'm going to sing to you guys. And so hopefully you can feel the vibe. I'm going to be using my, that's her. This is just a portable device that I put on the bottom because I like to move her all over the house. She is amazing. I'll link any of all this stuff that I'm doing and I'm mentioning. I'll link it down below in the comment section and the description box. But I'm going to be singing. Hopefully you guys feel my vibe. And you guys, you know what? Like half the time I don't know the words. So don't kill me. I don't know the words. I just kind of like mumble or make up my own things sometimes when I'm singing these songs. So sometimes the words aren't accurate. But anyways, let's have fun because that's what this video is about. It's about having fun. You're watching me. I'm reading your comments. We're communicating. We're having fun together. So let's go ahead and just roll on over to that video right now. Alexa. I have to whisper to them because I have two in the same room. And if you didn't know, you can whisper to her. Shuffle my favorites. I got this cordless thing so I could take it anywhere. Worked hard all week, got a little jingle on a Tennessee Saturday night. So right, my Dixieland delight. Banana. Ooh. Somebody want to go home. They like come and then they want to go home. Definitely use your fingers, guys, on this. It doesn't come off so nice with the brush. Come and then they want to go home. Trying to get that great big hill of hope for a destination. So these tweezers are by Manicator Beauty. I don't know what's up with me today, but they're called Pluck It. To break free, let's try these little ones. To break free. They're so much harder to tweeze the hair because I'm so used to like a flat surface. Let me try it on my eyelashes because I would actually think this helps a lot with like pinpointing your eyelashes. Oh yeah, this is great to put the eyelashes down because you can really get those exact spots, like the corners that typically come off. Push those down. That's nice. They have a sharp edge to them, so it's easy for you to scratch your skin. CoverGirl Clean Fresh Glow Stick, Cooling Glow Stick. What is this? Looks like a highlighter. I don't know. This is weird, and it melts. Don't you ever had it away from the start? Hey, I'm glad you're back with your beef. Who would have had this? I will never, ever, ever, ever be your side chick. It's okay, he already in my DM. Fall lighting. Minnesota Vikings. Aye, what the freak is that? Look at that. It's all separated. But I hope that's an air pocket, not some weird thing in there. We just keep moving like, aye. Okay, so I just swirled it and it mixed. So let's try it. I don't like the separation thing though. I can't even attempt to sing this song. I'm trying. Dun, dun. 150 times better. Did you see what it looked like when I'm using it? No, the other way. Like so much better. 220 neutral. Oh me. They don't even make this anymore. I have to get it from Amazon. TLC, truly lasting color. Cover the big zit right there. I'm easy like Sunday morning. Oh, easy. As well set it with Kylie yellow setting powder. One easy. Jump to the eyebrows. I don't even know what this is called. It's BDB. Oh yeah, well, that's the name. I'm like, what's the name? BDB. I thought that was just a design for a second. It's BDB. BDB. Billion Dollar Brows in the color taupe. This is a micro brow pencil. So let's try it. Oh, it says waterproof. Guys, I'm gonna try this in the swimming pool another day. Body. Wanna feel my body, baby. Such a through my body. Very super tiny. Do you guys know what song this is? I don't know if you know. I think everybody knows this song. Hey. Macho man. I got to be a macho man. This should be dark brown, the color, because that's not a taupe. So macho man, I got to be a macho man. I got to be. Hydrating Complex Trio by Alamar. For me, baby, I'm drunk and I don't want to go home. Glowdent makeup palette. Ooh, look how beautiful. Look at that. Wow. When you find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hours of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. Jekka Black X times Pride. This is one of the Pride lipsticks. This is a smoothing. This is a lasting smooth matte lipstick. I know. No, that is dry. Whoa. Beautiful color, but definitely not smooth. Look, like it doesn't even want to glide. And I'm pushing it. Okay, let me put more pressure. Look at that, how much it tugs too. Beautiful color though. Rainforest of the Sea 4-in-1 setting spray. Bicycle. Bicycle. So take your beauty blender, spray it, and then take it under the eye right there. You see how I got wet? Kind of pushing that setting spray in so you don't look like you have wrinkles. So all those fine lines that you might have right here kind of just dissipate, makes it softer. You can also take it and just bounce it and push. Crimson and Clover. Okay guys, so I have completed my makeup look. I just put a braid in my hair, as you can see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a lot of fun to make. This is normally, honestly, how I put on my makeup, is I blast my, you know who, in the background, have fun, put on my makeup. That is what makeup is supposed to be. It's supposed to be fun. And you know what I started doing? I started just putting my hand in a drawer and picking out a palette and randomly, you know, like trying new colors, or not new colors, I guess, because you get into a rut of doing the same makeup, the same look all the time, that I want to just stick my hand in the drawer and whatever pops out is what I'm going to wear for that day. And I'm going to make it work for me. And I love trying this type of new routine because it takes you out of your old routine. It takes you out of habits. It makes you explore. I've never worn these eyeshadows. They're brand new. And I just put my hand in a palette and grabbed the palette. I think that they are absolutely stunning. They did go on a little patchy, as you saw, but I think that was because I didn't set my eyeshadow primer. This hydrating complex trio was it's pretty nice. I must say. Like, let me just go. You got 3 colors. I just swatched it up and down. And those are the colors. Pretty nice. That's what I contoured my nose, my face with. It performed lovely. Now this sucker, this Glowdient is amazing, guys. Like, these two are a little bit too dark for me, so I'll use those for eyeshadows. But this, like, oh my goodness, delicious. Look at that, the reflection. It's like, wow. Absolutely stunning. And I used 2 different shades in my cheek, as you can see, so it goes from like a lighter to a darker. Very super beautiful. You guys saw the lipstick. I will be checking in later. We're going to a show, and let's see if it comes off, or I'll just check in throughout the day, see if it comes off.
Eso es parte del centro de convenciones. And of course, that's Christina recording as usual, as we cook.
Okay guys, we just left the restaurant. You can see that the lipstick is kind of still on, and I did not take it easy. I had a ton of steak, I mean, how much stuff did we eat? We ate a ton of stuff.
My wife, in her worst day, she looks beautiful. So I don't know. Yeah, we had some steak and stuff, but you know what? Nothing can cause damage to my wife because she's beautiful.
I told him to say that.
No, she didn't.
Anyways, I would actually say that I'm super impressed with the lipstick. Absolutely gorgeous color. But when it says lasting smooth, when you say smooth, you think that it's supposed to just glide on. This is Jacob Black X Pride, or by Pride. I don't know what the X is. Like, this was for Pride Week that came out. This came out, which I do support that. The Kylie Jenner powder, I do like this powder. It's not a bad powder. The concealer, I honestly don't know how this is going to work, because I put like quite a bit on, more than I normally do. So I'll also check in and let you guys know how this concealer powder, I have no idea what this CoverGirl Clean Fresh Cooling Glow Stick is supposed to do. I put it all over my face thinking it's supposed to be like maybe like a little bit of a moisturizer. Maybe it's supposed to give me like some luminosity. I have no idea, guys, but it is cool when you touch it to the skin, but it like melts right away, and then it dries down to a matte. And do you see any, I don't know, I don't see any luminosity here. Let's try right here on the arm, right there, right? So it's melting. It melts. You can see it right there, how streaky it is. It melts like right away. So do we see luminosity? No. Where's the luminosity? It says cooling glow stick, but on the other side in a different language, it says illuminator, which it means illuminator. No, I don't know. I don't know about that. This eyebrow pencil is freaking awesome. Look at my brows, guys. But this is not like taupe. Taupe is supposed to be like a light color. Like this is taupe. This is like a dark brown, okay? But my eyebrows look freaking awesome. I love this formula. If you guys are familiar with the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, it's super creamy, just like that. But this one, you don't have to put as much pressure. Barely touch and it glides on. Manicadar, the Manicadar tweezers. Honestly, guys, like if you like really pointed tweezers, maybe for tweezing those hairs, which actually, you know, I can't even say that because I tried to tweeze some of my hairs. It wouldn't even grab. But to use these for your eyelashes are amazing. This type of tweezer I do not like personally. This is Eye on Beauty. Yeah, this is by Eye on Beauty. Look how sharp these look, right? But when I glide over them, like they won't cut, they won't scratch, right? They're sharp. And when I do this and I slide side to side, every edge is like smooth. And then I do it with these new ones, right? And it's hard and rough, like I can cut myself, the edges, the whole bit. And I personally don't like that. But you can see the difference from one to the other. This is quite large, quite flat. And then this is large, just not as large if I put them together. You see the big difference there? Look, I'll put them together. Huge difference, right? These are too rough. So personally, I don't like the tweezers. Eye on Beauty, this is an amazing tweezer. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun making. You know what? Maybe it's going to get 1 or 2 views. Maybe it's going to get a few hundred views. I have no idea. All I know is that this is the music that was speaking to me today. And I sang it for you guys and had a great time doing it. I love you all. Mwah. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, being there, commenting. I appreciate every single one of you guys. God bless you guys. I love you. And now let's go ahead and just roll on over to the quote of the day. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.